Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia. Today we are diving deep into one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced motorhomes on the road, the 2026 Newell Coach. This is not just a motorhome, it is a rolling luxury residence built for people who want absolute comfort, power, and customization while traveling. From the moment you step inside, the 2026 Newell Coach makes it clear that it operates in a completely different league. Let's start with the space, because space is one of the biggest highlights of the Newell Coach. This coach is built on a massive custom chassis, giving it a wide and open interior that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. The ceilings are tall, the floors are flat, and there is no sense of confinement at all. Whether you are walking from the cockpit to the rear bedroom or relaxing in the lounge area, everything feels open, airy, and thoughtfully laid out. The living area is where the luxury really shines. Plush leather sofas, handcrafted cabinetry, and premium materials are everywhere you look. The seating is not only comfortable but also designed for long journeys, with deep cushions and perfect ergonomics. Large panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the space feel even bigger during the day, while elegant ambient lighting transforms the interior into a warm and relaxing environment at night. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 Newell Coach is how customizable the interior is. Owners can choose layouts, materials, colors, and finishes according to their personal taste. From modern minimalist styles to classic luxury themes, Newell builds each coach almost like a bespoke project. This means no two Newell coaches are exactly the same, and that exclusivity is a huge part of its appeal. Moving into the kitchen area, the Newell Coach feels like a chef's dream. You get residential-grade appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a dishwasher in many builds. The countertops are often made from premium stone materials, offering both durability and elegance. Storage is abundant, with soft close drawers, deep cabinets, and smartly designed compartments that make long-term travel extremely practical. The dining area blends seamlessly with the kitchen and living space. Whether it is a luxury dinette or a custom dining table, there is plenty of room to enjoy meals comfortably. The attention to detail here is outstanding, from the stitching on the seats to the finish on the table surfaces. Everything feels solid, premium, and built to last. When it comes to sleeping space, the 2026 Newell Coach does not disappoint. The master bedroom is spacious, quiet, and incredibly comfortable. A king-size bed is common, paired with high-quality mattresses designed for restful sleep even on long trips. Surrounding the bed, you will find ample storage, including wardrobes, drawers, and overhead cabinets, making it easy to live on the road without feeling cramped. The bathroom is another area where Newell truly stands out. Instead of a typical RV bathroom, you get a spa-like experience. Large walk-in showers with glass enclosures, premium fixtures, and elegant finishes make it feel like a luxury hotel bathroom. Many layouts include a separate toilet room, double vanities, and plenty of storage for toiletries and linens. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Newell Coach. Advanced touchscreen control systems allow you to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and shades with ease. The climate control system is powerful and efficient, keeping the interior comfortable in both extreme heat and cold. High-end entertainment systems include large flat-screen TVs, surround sound audio, and seamless connectivity for streaming and devices. Another major highlight is the insulation and build quality. Newell coaches are known for being extremely quiet and solid on the road. Road noise is minimal, and the ride quality is smooth thanks to advanced suspension systems. This makes long-distance travel far less tiring and far more enjoyable. Storage is also exceptional in the 2026 Newell Coach. Exterior storage bays are massive and well organized, perfect for carrying everything from luggage to outdoor gear. Inside, smart storage solutions are integrated throughout the coach, ensuring that everything has its place without cluttering the living areas. Safety and performance are equally impressive. The Newell Coach is powered by a robust diesel engine that delivers strong performance even with its large size. Advanced driver assistance features, powerful braking systems, and excellent visibility from the cockpit make driving more confident and secure. In real-world use, the 2026 Newell Coach is designed for full-time luxury travel. Whether you are crossing countries or living on the road for months at a time, this coach provides unmatched comfort, reliability, and prestige. It is not just about getting from one place to another, it is about enjoying every moment of the journey. In conclusion, the 2026 Newell Coach sets a new benchmark for luxury motorhomes. With its massive space, premium features, advanced technology, and unmatched customization, it offers an experience that few other coaches can rival. It is built for those who want the very best and are not willing to compromise on comfort or quality.